Good day, viewers. You are welcome. How to find the value of x in this exponential equation, where we have 6 to the power of x plus 6 to the power of 2x plus 6 to the power of 3x equals 14. So to solve this, we are going to rewrite this as, if this is 6 to the power of x plus, so here we write it as 6 to the power of x raised to the power of 2 plus 6 to the power of x raised to the power of 3 equals 14. By letting 6 to the power of x equals t. So that anywhere we see 6 to the power x, we replace it with t, and the first one we have t plus t squared plus t cubed, then minus 14 equals 0. So let's try to break down 14 based on the corresponding days. And before that, we try to rearrange this as t to the power of 3 plus t squared plus t minus open bracket. So we break this into 8 plus 4 plus 2, then everything equals 0. So having this, by trying to combine this together, we have t cubed here with 8, and we have this as t cubed minus 8 in bracket plus, also we have t squared minus 4 plus open bracket t plus 2 equals 0. And here is what we have. Then we proceed by writing all this in exponent form. As for the first one, we have t cubed minus 2 to the power of 3 in bracket plus open bracket. So we have this also as t squared minus 2 squared plus open bracket t, this one comes with minus as well. We have this as t minus 2 equals 0. So because we open this with negative, so that's why all these are taking the negative sign. So here we have difference of 2 cubed. As we are going to be applying this, suppose we have a to the power of 3 minus b to the power of 3. So this is the same thing as a minus b open bracket a squared plus b squared plus ab. And also when we have difference of 2 cubed, like difference of 2 squared, like a squared minus b squared, we have it as a minus b open bracket a plus b. So here is what we have for these two expressions. Then we try to substitute as, if our t is a and b is our 2. So by replacing it for the first one, we have it as t minus 2 in bracket open bracket, we have t squared plus 2 squared plus 2t, and also we have plus open bracket t minus 2 open bracket t plus 2, and with the last one, which is plus t minus 2, everything equals 0. So when we check this properly, we have t minus 2 that is common to them. So by factoring it out, we have t minus 2 open bracket. So when we divide this one by t minus 2, we are left with t squared plus 2t plus 4. And when we divide this also by t minus 2, we are going to get t plus 2 plus, and when we divide this one by t minus 2, we get 1. Then everything equals 0. So having this expression, we have to rewrite this as t minus 2 in bracket open bracket, here is t squared, then we have 2t plus t, that gives us plus 3t, then plus 2 plus 4 plus 1, that gives us 7, then everything equals 0. If this is an expression we have for everything, then we are going to let t minus 2 equals 0 or the whole of this equals 0. So we have t minus 2 equals 0, and for this one we get the value of t equals 2. While for the other part, which is t squared plus 3t plus 7 equals 0. So here is a quadratic equation, so which we are going to get two values. And to do that, we consider from this quadratic equation by getting our a first. A is 1, b is 3, which is coefficient of t, and c here is a constant value, which is 7. So by trying to plug it in this formula as t equals minus b plus or minus the square root of b squared minus 4ac divided by 2a. Here is what we use, and then we plug in all these things. So here is t equals minus 3 for b plus or minus the square root of 3 squared, that gives us 9, minus, so 4 times 1 times 7, that is 28, divided by 2. So here we have t equals minus 3 plus or minus the square root of, so when we subtract these two together, we are going to have it as minus 19 divided by 2. But because of this negative, we end up this getting minus 3 plus or minus the square root of 19 iota divided by 2. But here is a complex solution, and here is our real solution. So then we are going to recall from where we let 6 to the power of x equals t. Then we get the value of x for that one. So for the first case like that, for the real solution, we are going to have 6 to the power x equals t, that is equals 2. Then we try to introduce logarithm to both sides, as we have log 6 to the power of x equals log 2. And with this one, we apply the rule of logarithm, so that we have x log 6 equals log 2. Then when we divide both sides by log 6, we have x equals log 2 divided by log 6. Then this is also written as log 2 base 6, which is the first solution to this problem. And the other part, which is the complex, when we try to apply the same thing, what we get here is x equals the logarithm of base of 6, then open bracket, minus 3 plus or minus the square root of 19i divided by 2. So this is how to solve this problem, as this is the result. Thanks for watching, and if you are new here to this channel and you find this video interesting, please do well to like, share, and subscribe. I will see you in the next class. Never stop learning. Bye bye.